now wetin I wan tell you on top my machine installation matter na on top power supply. Which kind power supply wey you need to power your machine? This thing you have to put am into consideration. Many times when you dey ask from the manufacturer, they go give you some details, but my brother, I recommend when the machine land, you call a technician make him come check this thing. See, shoemaking power machine dey consume power. This one wey I dey show you dey consume 4 kVA straight up. The one wey I show this one na like 3 kVA. The one wey I show earlier na 6 kVA. Those are just 3 machines. You not talk of like you are having 12 machines put all together. You go dey calculate around 12 to 18, 20 kVA. And apart from that, e get different light supply. Some be 3 phase, some be single phase, some be 3 phase without neutral, and some will be 3 phase with neutral. So, and no be all the shoemaking machine dey use light. Some dey use air. This na compressor wey go supply air to all the machine wey no dey use air, wey no dey use light. So now, looking at this this one wey I show you here na my jaga light wey I dey use before. But this jaga na just small power I dey take am power, and this na the meter wey I dey take am. You na single phase meter, but I gas to upgrade to a 3 phase, a stronger phase meter. Na the technician wey I call tell me say I had to upgrade like that because that single phase no fit power am like that, say e go just burn. The technician do me well o. He don even install 200 amps breaker like that. Fuse, he install am so e go fit power this thing. He come even tell me as with me and him sit down here dey yarn, he dey tell me say, see this light I need to condemn all this wire because I need to use confirm copper wire run all this thing all around. So as an experienced person wey him be na, I hear to him mind, I wire money, dey start to dey work, dey install everything. Every machine get im own breaker. Reason wey he explain to me say if any such happens, na the breaker go just strip off, say none of my machine go get issue. So as you wan do your own, you gats to prepare for power. Power na e go suck confirm money for your hand because the machine wey you dey buy na big money, and as you buy am big money, you no go fit just do one yeye wiring. So wiring for shoemaking machine na serious one. Na serious. Okay, you know say na Naija we dey na you gats to plan for generator. So that's why I buy this changeover. Easy make I buy this changeover. This changeover na 100 amps and na 3 phase, and same as giant breaker wey go control everything wey dey come. So surge no go just dey spoil my light, spoil my meter, and spoil the meter wey NEPA install for me. You can see this generator, even this generator wey I buy, e no go reach me again because this generator na just 10 kVA and I dey use up to 15 kVA. So if you wan buy, I go advise say make you buy bigger 12, 15 kVA, 20 kVA, and then make sure say na 3 phase because many machine wey you see here na 3 phase. Hope you don. People, please share this and follow me so you go dey see my confirm story upon all this my factory installation.